And now it's time for baby talk.
Radio Nut, here I come! Okay, where are you? You can't hide from me. I know you're out there somewhere. Maybe I will look over here, yeah.
You'll never spot us.
Yeah, we look just like boulders.
Quiet, nobody move. I gotta sneeze. No, not now, Cindy.
Oh, I know, you're over there. Yeah, I bet you're over there. I'm gonna run over there and I'm gonna catch you guys. You're just over this hill. I can tell that you are. Wait, you're not there. Wait, I know, you're over this way. Yeah. Now it's.
I really gotta sneeze. Not now, Cindy. Sneeze. Achoo!
Aha! Found you.
Nice going, Cindy. Achoo!
And now that made me even colder. I didn't like being this cold. I didn't mind being cold. I like it this way. I think it's time to warm things up. Oh, not. Yeah, how come? Watch.